Perform all indicated operations and, if possible, simplify. Assume all variables represent non-negative numbers. The square root of 3ab times the square root of 6ab cubed. We can multiply together the two radicands and put them underneath the same radical symbol. So we have 3ab times 6ab cubed, all under the square root symbol. Let's factor out each of these expressions, and we would have 3ab times 2 times 3 times a times b times b times b. And now let's look at what we can group together here, the 3 and the 3, so we have the square root of 3 times 3. We have a times a, which is a squared. We have b times b times b times another b, which is b to the 4th. And then we have a lone 2, which we're still multiplying by. So now what we see is, of course, the square root of 3 times 3 is 3. The square root of a squared is a. The square root of b to the 4th is b squared. And again, that's because we're assuming that the variables are non-negative. And then finally, we still have under the square root 2. So it's 3ab squared times the square root of 2.